We all start at zero: clients, sales, followers, support. Hi, Queens. I'm Adeline Atlas, 7X published author. Welcome back to School of Soul, the social series, where we turn platforms into passive income and create freedom through social media. Today, I want to talk about something that way too many people forget or let themselves get discouraged by. And that's the reality that we all start at zero. Zero followers, zero clients, zero sales, zero support. Every brand you look up to, every influencer you admire, every business owner you see thriving now. We all started in the same place, at the beginning, with nothing but a vision, a decision, and a commitment to keep going. When you're just starting out, it's so easy to trick yourself into thinking you're behind. It's so easy to scroll through Instagram, see someone with 100K followers, 500K in sales, a team, a brand, a movement, and convince yourself that they're somehow different, that they must have had connections, luck, money, secret advantages. But the truth is, the real ones didn't start on top. They started exactly where you are, at zero. And Queens, hear me clearly. Zero isn't a curse. Zero is a clean slate. Zero is pure potential. Zero is the place where you get to build it exactly how you want it. Zero is where you decide what your brand stands for, what your energy feels like, what your mission will be. Zero is sacred. It's not something to be ashamed of. It's something to be honored. Because not everyone is willing to start. When I started, I had zero followers too. I had no crowd cheering for me. I had no massive client list. I had no passive income stream set up. I had an idea, a hunger, and a willingness to figure it out piece by piece. And that's all you really need. Not a perfect plan, not a massive audience, just the decision to move anyway. And let's talk about this. Zero clients isn't failure. It's normal. Clients don't just fall from the sky the moment you post your first offer. Building trust takes time. Building authority takes consistency. Building loyalty takes showing up when no one's clapping yet. When you have zero clients, you're not losing. You're learning. You're testing. You're refining. You're laying the foundation for the brand that's about to blow up later. Zero sales? Same thing. Your first few launches might be quiet. Your first few posts might not convert. That doesn't mean you're not good enough. It doesn't mean your offer is bad. It means you're learning the art of messaging, the art of connection, the art of conversion. Every no is teaching you how to get to the yes. Every empty cart is teaching you how to make your next offer even clearer, even stronger, even more irresistible. Zero support? Oh, trust me, I know that one too. Not everyone is going to see your vision right away. Your family might not understand. Your friends might not support you. Some people might even laugh at you, doubt you, or act like you're crazy for dreaming bigger. Good. Let them. Their support isn't the foundation of your success. Your belief is, your discipline is, your consistency is. You have to clap for yourself before anyone else claps for you. You have to validate your own dreams before anyone else will see them as real. And here's the beautiful thing. Everything you build from zero is yours. When you earn your first sale, you know you created that from nothing. When you land your first client, you know you built that trust yourself. When you hit your first 1K, your first 10K, your first 100K, you know it wasn't handed to you. It was earned, built, brick by brick, post by post, decision by decision. No one can take that from you. So if you're at zero right now, hear me clearly. You're not behind. You're right on time. The only people who stay at zero are the ones who quit. The ones who believe the lie that because they're not there yet, they'll never get there. But the ones who win? They're the ones who treat the beginning with the same energy they'll bring to the breakthrough. They show up when it's quiet. They move when it's slow. They bet on themselves when no one else is betting yet. Zero is a test. It asks you, are you serious? Are you committed? Are you willing to show up even when no one's watching yet? And if you answer yes, and you back it up with real action, real consistency, real strategy, then zero isn't your end. It's your launch pad. So Queens, honor your zero. Celebrate it. Respect it. Because one day, when you're standing on stages, when you're closing high-ticket deals, when you're scaling passive income streams and impacting lives around the world, you'll look back and realize zero was never the enemy. It was the beginning of everything. And if you're ready to move smarter, scale faster, and turn your zero into 100, 1,000, a movement, it's time to get inside the SOS, Social Vault. Inside the vault, you'll find the step-by-step systems, templates, and strategies that I wish I had when I was starting at zero. The ones that turn slow growth into smart growth, that turn followers into clients and dreams into digital assets. I'll see you inside, Queen. We all start at zero. Success loves speed. Go make your move.